Yes, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Monday, the 20th of August 2018, start of a new trading week. Pretty quiet start to the week, guys. No major gaps to be concerned about or anything like that, so all good. Bit of action this morning, mainly in the high probability charts. So basically this video, all I'm going is going over the daily charts for both the mod MACD and the high probability. Any trades any trade action or new trades I've taken this morning. Right, we're on the mod MACD, not much to report here at all. The only one was a reversal on the pound New Zealand. So this is a daily chart. This buy is closed for a loss. So no longer in the buy, and I took a sell this morning. Look, I don't like this whole setup at all, but it's a valid sell signal, so I'm taking it. You can see the fast MACD's through the zero level, standard MACD's in sort of no man's land, but I've got a red QMP dot and price did close below the 25 SMA, but the problem is very close to the 240 LMA, and already we've sort of got a big bullish candle today, so it's not looking that good. But that's the pound New Zealand, so reverse from a buy to a sell. Now I'll switch over to the high probability. I might have a look at the 4-hour charts quickly, because there was a little bit of action on that, if I remember rightly, that I didn't sort of catch up with on Friday. So just bear with me for 2 seconds while it brings up the 4-hour. Alright, what happened on Friday? Just reading my notes. This pound Swiss franc, that's been closed for a break-even result. Euro CAD, yep, took a new sell on the Euro CAD on Friday evening. At this level here, it's gone against me a little bit, but you can see the MACD's got a long way to roll over. It's with the trend. Hopefully, you could say that's a double top there, but hopefully it'll drop down. I don't like how we've got daily up, but a bit contradiction, but definitely a sell trade there. Aussie, I was in a sell back here, and that has now been stopped out here at this level here for a nice profit, so locked in that there. That sell's no longer in play. Pound yen still in a buy. Pound USD still in a buy. Euro USD, I was in a sell from up here, and I've already closed half, and it's the remaining half is stopped out. So we're still in a buy at the moment. Stop really tight, so it's been pretty good to the euro. I don't think there's much else happening. We're still in a buy on the Aussie New Zealand. I think we're still in the buy on the New Zealand USD with a stop at basically break even. Nothing else. Alright, we'll switch over to the daily high probability charts. I'll probably be looking at looking at a few more time frames, like 6, 8, 12 hours possibly. I just want to try and get away from the 4-hour charts a bit. Staying up till midnight, I'll check the one candle. It's getting a bit tiring, so I might look at just looking at other time frames. Alright, on the high probability charts, most of these new trades are against the trend, higher risk trades. Alright, so looking for trend reversals. Aussie USD took a buy this morning. You see the bullish divergence there, regular bullish divergence going into the MAs, so high risk trade. So it's Aussie took a buy. Euro Swiss franc, my sell from back here, a sell from back here and a buy down here. My sell was stopped out, my remaining sell, so that sell is no longer in play. So I took a nice overall profit on that. Now just in this buy. So that's it. Now all these others are all new trades, and they're all the same. Pound USD, new buy, high risk, regular bullish divergence into the MAs, looking for a trend reversal, higher risk, stop just below the lows. Euro USD, same deal. Buy, high risk, regular bullish divergence into the MAs. It's going to sound like a broken record. Pound Swiss franc, buy, into the MAs, still in a sell, half a sell, so I find that's always a good thing. A stop on my remaining half of the sells down here, so took the buy, high risk trade into the MAs. So that's pound Swiss, Aussie Swiss, buy into the MAs, high risk trade. You see the regular bullish divergence. CAD Swiss. Now this one's a little bit different. Took a buy here this morning. It's all very tight. I've got hidden bullish divergence here. Lower low on the MACD and higher low on the price. It's a bit ugly looking because for a start, one side of the divergence on the MACD is on the wrong side of the zero level, and the other side, which is here, is just below the zero level. So it's all very tight, and it probably doesn't look like an ideal setup, but it's still a valid setup, because remember, with as long as one side of the divergence is on the correct side of the zero level, doesn't matter if it's the first point or the second point, as long as one side is, and that is, the MAs are super tight. Look, they're right on, all three of them are right on top of each other. You can't even see them. So this is a trade I'm going to have to keep a close eye on. It's going a bit sideways. It's not a great setup, but it's a valid setup, so it's taken. So that's a CAD Swiss. New Zealand USD, took the buy this morning, similar to the other USD pairs. High risk into the MAs, regular bullish divergence. So New Zealand, Kiwi Bull. And USD Singapore dollar, same as the other ones except it's a sell, regular bearish divergence, high highs on price, lower highs on MACD. Above the, look, you can see it's obvious divergence there. Into the MAs, high risk trade, stop in place. And finally, pound New Zealand. Now this is a little bit of a tricky one. I'm in a buy here, and I've probably stuffed up a bit here, made a mistake, and I'm going to pay for it. I know I am. I should have been out of this buy when this MACD went up to the zero level, and I saw the first of the bearish JAGfx RD, that little orange trend line there. I should have taken either a small loss, or I could have got out of break even, had plenty of opportunities. I should have done the smart thing, but I didn't, so it ended up going against me. And this morning there was a new sell signal, and the only reason I've taken the sell is to hedge the buy. So I'm 0.02 long, and I'm now 0.02 short at this level here. I've got stops either side, so if I get a breakout, hopefully I'll be able to make some profit one way and take a bit of the heat of the stop of the loss I'm probably going to take. So it's probably a mistake by me on this buy trade. Now I'm trying to fix it up by using a sell trade. If I didn't have that buy trade on, I probably wouldn't take that sell. The MACD is just above the zero level. The MAs are technically up. There's no real divergence to the bearish divergence, so it's not a great signal, sell signal. And already, as we already talked about in the mod MACD, this candle's already pretty big today as it is, so that was the only one that sort of gapped over the weekend. But anyway, that's the pound New Zealand, so I'm going to buy and a sell at the moment, fully hedged, and just looking for a breakout either way. Alright guys, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching the video. If you do like these videos, feel free to subscribe or at least hit the like button, and also welcome to any new members that have either subscribed to the YouTube channel or joined the Facebook group or Telegram group. I appreciate that you've done that, and you're putting faith in me and my trading style. So once again, thanks very much, and I'll chat later. Cheers.